Dinosaur and Waza. And you want to learn some dinosaurs with me? Oh yeah, let's go. So this is the T-Rex and it's 50,000 years old. And then when the volcano explodes with lava around like in Jurassic World. I love Jurassic World so much, and I still love Jurassic World and other movies and YouTube. And this is a YouTube channel. It's still a YouTube channel. And I was watching Blippi this day, the Dinosaur Blippi. What? This one? And this is the larger T-Rex. This is green and has sharp claws. So, it's still closer. Okay. Let's do it. And this is the old one. This is the Indoraptor. Stepping. I step in the face. For real. Dinosaur. And this is the Triceratops.